So here's the old one, clogged up completely. Sometimes you just can't snake a drain. Completely clogged. So I had to take it out of the wall, piece in this 1.5" PVC T. Now when you're doing something like this, the vent right here, if it's not strapped and you're not holding on to it, as soon as you take that old T out, it's gonna shoot down. So you have to either have a good grip on it or strap it up while you prep that to get everything ready. So I got the new fern comb up there, new fern comb down there. So all I gotta do is piece it back together. Now that we're secured, fern cones are tied in, tightened down. All we gotta do, glue in that stub out to the T, and then we just retrap it. And then we'll check and make sure no leaks and make sure the clog is gone. There it is, all tied in together. I'm gonna let the glue set up for a little bit longer before I start running stuff. Good to go. Clog's gone.